Once again, welcome back, family. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make some leaf mulch. Watch out, sir. I got this leaf board with a bagger, mulch bagger on it. Wife got it for me last year. Great gift. It's electric. That's the only downfall. See, once I get that crushed up, I use leaves, fallen leaves, grass clippings, banana peeling. And once I get it crushed up, get me a trash bag. You can see, get it like that, fill it up the whole way. I take my blade and I'll just poke a bunch of holes all the way through, all the way through, all the way in the bag, all over. Then I'll saturate it real good with water, wet it down, tie it up, put it in a sunny location out of the way. I say it takes about six 6 weeks, give or take. Then you got some leaf mulch. And I take my leaves and I grind them up and I add them in my garden beds and around fruit trees, stuff like that. It'll break down over winter. And then when it comes spring, you already got fertilizer for your beds, for your fruit trees. That's just what I always do. That's the way I do it. More organic and seems to work really good. Cuts down on buying a lot of fertilizer, compost. We cut all that down because you got your own. You got trees in your yard, you got leaf mulch, you got fertilizer. And it's not hard to do. You can even run over with a lawnmower, or you can leave them whole. It just takes longer to break down than when they're whole. This is a great little gizmo. You got it for me last year. I appreciate that. Works good. Only thing I don't like about it, it's cold. Can't go nowhere. Can't go that far with it. hope y'all having a nice day. God bless y'all. Once again, growing is my passion. Odoms. It's also spook season. Y'all be careful. Them spooks is out there. Y'all have a good day. Odoms.